Hey guys, what's up? So as promised, I'll show you how to use Python. So first of all, we'll learn something called print function. Print function allows you to output words or numbers. So here is how you do it. First you type this print along with the bracket, which is very important. Make sure you don't put any capital in the words, and between the brackets put this thing which we call in Python strings, and then type whatever you want, like hello YouTube, or also numbers works, and then run it. As you can see, it has already been output. Alright, now for the next one I'll show you what you can do also. Like, you can put numbers and it will also run. It will work properly. If you made any error, don't worry, the Python will show you, like it will say that there is an error in your code, and also here you can see it, that it shows you that there is an error, but there isn't right now. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next one, which is variables. Variables are like, they look like this. For example, the text equals to this string, and then you can also make many things with the variables. So this is the first example. The text equals to hello world, and then you can print it. Print the text without the strings, and that's how Mafia works. Alright, so I'll show you another example, which you know in maths. You might have studied about something called substitution, and also we can use it as a calculator in Python. So for example, a equals to 5, b equals to let's change the number. For example, a equals to 20, b equals to 10. Then you can make so those are variables, alright. And then the third variable, you can make it you can call it anything, but I'll call it calculation, and then equals to a plus b, and then print calculation, and then run. It will give you the results as if it was a calculator. You can also use it for not just for addition, you can use it for subtraction. And look, 20 minus 10, which is 10. Also you can use it for multiplication. For multiplication in Python we put star, we don't put x, it doesn't work. You put run, and then look, 20 into 10, which is 200. And also for division, you just put forward slash, and then there you go. It gives you decimal, but ignore it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There are plenty of to show you, but for now that's all, so that I don't take too much of your time. If you like this video is just a test, but if you liked it, I'll make more tutorial just like this. Alright, see ya everyone.